Welcome back. Let's put the while loop syntax into immediate practice. Our goal is to print all numbers starting from 1 up to and including 20. This exercise clearly demonstrates the three parts of a while loop: initialization, the condition, and the update. 1. Initialization. We need a counter variable to track our current number. Since we start at 1, we initialize the variable count to 1 before the loop begins. 2. The loop condition. We want to include 20. Therefore, the loop must continue while the current value of count is less than or equal to 20. If we used only less than 20, the loop would stop at 19. 3. The loop body and update. Inside the loop, we first print the current value of count. Immediately after, we use the increment update statement, count equals count plus 1, to prepare for the next iteration. Forgetting this line leads to an infinite loop, repeating the number 1 forever. To summarize, iterative programs should be careful definition of the start, end, and step size. This pattern is foundational for many sequence generations using the while loop. Our next lecture 0908. Odd numbers between given numbers. See you there.